life to the full. Mother Mary, Regina Rosari, intercede for me to Jesus your Son. Jesus, the great healer, the great provider. Amen.
Please raise your hands at kung meron po kayong mga religious items na gustong ipa-bless, pakilabas na rin po.